Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, MGE Energy Incorporated just filed an 8K announcing a dividend increase, and I am seeing a positive signal for shareholder returns. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing shows the company is increasing its regular quarterly dividend, which is a good sign for investors. Alright, let's dive into what this filing is all about. MGE Energy Incorporated, a Wisconsin-based company, has put out what is called a Form 8. Think of this as a way for companies to tell the public about major events that investors really need to know about right away outside of their regular quarterly or yearly reports. The date on this report is the 21st of August 2026. This is the date the earliest event reported happened. The company's commission file number is 000-49965. This is just an internal number the SEC uses to track them. They are registered on the Nasdaq stock market under the ticker symbol MG. Their common stock is registered there. This filing is for MGE Energy Incorporated, which is a corporation from Wisconsin. Their main office is at 133 South Blair Street in Madison, Wisconsin, and you can reach them at 608-252-7000. Their IRS employer identification number, or IIN, is 39 to 2,040,501. Now, the main reason for this filing is under item 8.01, which is for other events. What happened is that on the 21st of August 2026, MGE Energy Incorporated released a press release. This press release announced some good news for shareholders. They are increasing their regular quarterly dividend. Specifically, they declared a quarterly dividend of $0.5083 for each share of common stock they have. This dividend will be paid out on the 15th of September 2026. To get this dividend, you needed to be a shareholder on record as of the 1st of September 2026. This is a concrete increase in the cash they are returning to their owners. The filing also covers item 9.01, which deals with financial statements and exhibits. In this case, there were no new financial statements or pro forma information being filed, because this report isn't about acquisitions or major financial restatements. What they are including as an exhibit, which is basically an attachment to the official filing, is that press release from the 21st of August 2026. This press release contains all the details about the dividend increase. They also included Exhibit 104, which is the cover page interactive data file, essentially the digital dressing for the filing. The report is signed by Jenny L. Lagerwal, who holds the title of Assistant Vice President, Accounting and Controller, serving as the Chief Accounting Officer. This means a high-level finance person has reviewed and approved this announcement. This filing tells us MGE Energy Inc. is prioritizing returning capital to its shareholders. Increasing dividends is often a sign that a company is confident about its future earnings and its ability to generate consistent cash flow. Looking at the recent news, MGE's Q2 earnings did top estimates, and there was even an insider purchase of shares by director James Burby around the same time. This suggests a positive sentiment around the company, not just from management, but also from those who have a deep understanding of its operations. With major institutional holders like BlackRock and Vanguard already having significant stakes, a dividend increase could be seen as a way to further reward these large investors and signal financial health. While the filing itself doesn't contain detailed financials, the act of raising the dividend, coupled with positive earnings news, paints a picture of a company in a solid position. The risk I am watching is whether this dividend increase is sustainable long term, especially if operating costs rise or regulatory environments change. But for now, it is a clear positive signal. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.